Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here. I hope everyone is well. And what I have for you today is going to be another Locksport update coming up in just a second. So welcome back to my Locksport update. This is a video series that I created to just be a really great place for me to share some of the updates throughout my week, and also to make a really great place for the community to share any of the great updates that they had throughout the week. If you have anything at all that you'd like to share, I highly encourage you leave it in the comment section below, and I'll try to include it into next week's Locksport update. I am generally curious just to see how everyone's been doing, and if you just want to stop in and say hi, I love to respond to every single comment, and please feel free to write in the comments below, send me an email. I just really love trying to be part of this community. So this has been a very busy week for me. I haven't had much time to put together any videos. I've mostly been at work, but I really do enjoy making this content and being part of the community, and I'm doing my best to always keep up with making some regular videos. So I was really happy to see we have mentioned in the last few updates u/Drauken, who just started making these really cool pinning trays. These trays were designed by Tumblr, and Drauken is using his CNC machine, and he is able to mass produce these now. What he did was he was giving up one of his prototypes to r/lockpicking for a really cool competition. We were able to have 5 entrants, myself included, and the community was able to vote on their favorite video. I feel very fortunate to know that I was the one that was able to win the series, that contest. It was just really fun watching everyone's entries. You had entry from me, Stab in the Eye, on Reddit, and I got 29 votes. Then we had u/Geo Gemstone, who got 10 votes, u/Denbrass, who got 9 votes, u/Karma-Filled Cupcake, who got 6 votes, and u/Potkettle Racism, who got 5 votes. It was really fun to see everyone's videos and just really bringing the community together. What I'd like to do now is to show you a quick clip of the video that won me the competition. Locksmiths, are you tired of scattered pins every time you are servicing your customers' locks? This is both a waste of time and money. This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and through new recent technological advances, we have developed the pinning tray that is guaranteed to keep your pins neat and tidy each time, every time. Just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can tilt the tray to the left. You can tilt the tray to the right. You can dip it forward, dip it back. Your pens are going to stay aligned each time, every time. For 4 easy payments of $4.99, you can order one of these trays today, but the deal doesn't stop there. If you order within the next 2 minutes, you can get 2 pinning trays. That is right, 2 pinning trays for the price of $4.99 for 4 easy payments if you just pay separate processing and shipping. I am HelpfulLockPicker. I guarantee this tray is going to save you both time and money, and you should order now. If you'd like to order this tray, please call 1-800-NEAT-PENS. That is 1-800-NEAT-PENS. Order now while supplies last. I am just so excited to have won this pinning tray. I have also helped support his cause by purchasing a pinning tray myself. These trays are not cheap at all. This pinning tray was about $170. And I'm going to show you a quick clip of the pinning tray. It is going to be a quick photo that you'll see on the screen in front of you right now. u/Drauken has sent over to me 3 photos of it, and it should be in the mail relatively soon. I am really excited to have one of these pinning trays, and also to have this really cool copper one with my logo on it. This is such a really cool thing to have. Another thing that I'm really excited about is my channel is continuing to grow, and I am very close to reaching 15,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you to everyone that helped support this channel by liking, subscribing, sharing, clicking the notification bell, commenting, and just making this such a fun channel to run. Without you guys, this channel would not be where it is today, and I just want to say thank you so much for being part of it and just making this so much fun. You guys rock, and it is just so fun to be part of this community. So this week, Jason Carlson was able to let me know. I mentioned in a prior update that I exchanged some locks with him. Unfortunately, I haven't had much time to work on the locks that he sent me, but he was able to get open my one and only challenge lock that I have made, and some others have expressed interest in trying it out. The challenge lock was called Screw Up. This lock, I made a few modifications to it, and it is a pretty tough lock, is what Jason Carlson is telling me. He said he had to tension it from the rear, so he was not able to get it open with traditional tensioning methods. But congratulations to Jason Carlson on getting that lock open. That is really cool. Last week, Dark Arts Lockpicking shared that he is very excited that his Sunday videos, he's making a beginner series every Sunday where he is teaching some information on lockpicking, and he feels like it's off to a great start. If you want to check out his channel, I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check him out. Consider subscribing and consider checking out his video series. The last thing I want to share this week is Russ J02. This is the Board Lockpicker's secondary channel. It is a channel that he loves to just make videos. He does product reviews, demonstrations. Not everything is lockpicking related, but he is really trying hard to get his channel up to 1,000 subscribers. He still has some ways to go, but he is really pushing to try to get there. He is always making new content, and it is a pretty fun channel to check out. So if you're interested, I will put a link up on the top here so you can consider checking out his channel and perhaps subscribing. But either way, guys, this has been a really quick Locksport update. I am very thankful for all the support that I have received throughout the year and throughout all the weeks, and this has just been a really fun channel to run. I really love interacting with everyone and seeing all your comments. I highly encourage everyone to just please leave some comments in the comment section below, and I'd really love to check out what you have to say and just try to share any of your great accomplishments. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.